Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. Today I will show you how to increase your RAM or memory on all Samsung devices to increase performance. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech tips and hacks. Now here's how you can increase your RAM. Step 1. Open settings on your Samsung device. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on battery and device care. This is where you will find options to optimize your phone's performance. Step 3. Select the memory. This section displays how much RAM is currently being used and how much is available. Step 4. Tap on the RAM Plus. This is the feature that lets you add virtual memory to your phone by using a portion of your storage. Step 5. Turn on the RAM Plus option if it's not already enabled. Then, choose how much memory you want to add. You can select from 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, or even higher depending on your device. This extra memory allows more apps to stay open in the background and improves multitasking performance. Once you've selected your desired memory size, the changes will take effect after you restart your device. You'll notice a smoother experience, especially when running multiple apps. And that's it. You've successfully increased your RAM using the RAM Plus feature. This is a great way to optimize your phone performance without upgrading to a new device. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends.